What's the meaning of centenarian? Centenarian. Centenarian.
Centenarian. Centenarian. Centenarian refers to a person who has reached or exceeded the age of 100 years. The term is often used to describe individuals who have lived an exceptionally long and healthy life, and are therefore regarded as a source of inspiration for their peers. Centenarians have been studied by researchers in various fields such as genetics, biology, psychology, and sociology to uncover the secrets of their longevity. Overall, centenarians are a unique group of individuals who have defied the odds and achieved an extraordinary milestone in their lives.